The Directorate of Wheat Research Karnal has priorities to work both on biotic and abiotic stresses, and heat stress is one of them. Several techniques and structures have been utilized world over to evaluate wheat genotypes for heat stress tolerance. The recent facility created at the DWR under the Indian Council of Agricultural Research funded NPTC Functional Genomics Project is a unique facility where a sizable capacity for evaluating wheat genotypes under the natural soil and environmental conditions is available. A large number of genotypes in replicated field plots can be effectively handled in the structure. Moreover, this does not require any extra expenditure to maintain the crop as compared to the natural field conditions. At the same time, the structure has the unique property of getting converted instantly into a temperature-controlled facility as and when required. As against other growth chambers, the temperature regulation in the structure is more precise and is linked to the ambient temperature. The size of structure is approximately 100 feet by 35 feet, and 2 such structures have been developed at the DWR. To provide the logistic support, the structure is annexed with 2 separate electricity generator sets for providing power backup, water storage tank and heating system, along with a housing facility for maintenance has been provided near the structure. The data logger system provides storage of temperature and humidity data of both the structures and also the ambient conditions. It also has facility to display the data date-wise and also in an archive manner. Date, time and structure-wise display of data is facilitated. Data of structure 1, structure 2 and ambient temperature and humidity can be visualized. Stored also, which is updated every 30 seconds. For regulating key functions of the 2 structures, there are 2 dedicated control panels which provide separate keys or switches for controlling individual parameters. It has an automatic mechanism as well as manual control facility for lights and air conditioners. For closing the structure, a knob is pointed towards closing, followed by a start button. Not only the roof, but also windows from all the 4 sides close down. It has a PLC controlled facility for differential time regulation in closing down the roof and windows properly. It takes about 90 seconds for complete closure of the structure. The roof covers a distance of approximately 4 meters from each side. Once the structure is closed, it becomes airtight and enables precise regulation of temperature, humidity through mist, irrigation through drips, photoperiod, etc. Temperature of the 2 structures can individually be programmed from 0 to 10 degrees Celsius higher as compared to the ambient temperature. For heating, a boiler-based liquid circulation system has been installed which runs through internal pipes and also through the hanging pipeline in both the structures. Cooling is through 16 air conditioners of 2-ton capacity placed in each structure, all of them integrated and governed by the control panel. Mist system provides fine water droplets for maintaining required humidity level, and the drip irrigation system for efficient irrigation. Similar to closing, there is a mechanism to open the structure after the required heat stress treatment is over. The knob is put to opening, and subsequently the push of the start button initiates opening of the structure. Both roof and side windows become open. After the structure is open, the crop again receives natural environmental conditions prevailing outside in the field. This novel facility combines advantages of both screening of the genotypes in the large plot size in the field as well as of enclosed structure with precise environmental control facility. Therefore, in this case, it ensures temperature treatment for the required duration at specific crop stages. Honorable Director General, Indian Council of Agricultural Research and Secretary, Department of Agricultural Research and Education, Dr. S. Ayyappan, dedicated the facility on 28th December 2012. The temperature-controlled phenotyping facility places ICAR on the top of the world map in establishing this unique facility through its NPTC Functional Genomics program and is a pride of Directorate of Wheat Research and Wheat Community of the country.